Problemi!
Oh fuck. Let's try to get in the slipstream of this guy. Oh, I was really slow to there. I don't know what I was doing. Oh, nothing we can do now. Oh my god. Thank you for tuning in and welcome back to a brand new Road to 3K iRacing series. And today we're back with the production car challenge. Because guys, I'm really glad you guys like this new series. I prefer this way over the normal MX-5 Cup here with the multi-class system. I love it, I'm a big fan of it. You guys liked this well. Thank you for the major support on the last video, which was the endurance video. I'm glad you guys liked it. By the way, I read all your comments and I saw some new people subscribing. So thank you so much for that. It really motivates me to make more videos and to keep on posting them consistently. This is the 19th or the 20th video posting weekly in a row, so that's really nice. We're keeping up the streak. And yeah, today we're racing in Zandvoort, doing a sprint race, not an endurance, so it's a race of 25 minutes. I'm really excited because it's my home track. I've raced here in real life as well. I know the track pretty well, thereby I'm really excited to drive here. Yeah, without further ado, let's see if we can gain some iRating and let's jump straight into the qualifying. We are now in the qualifying and I gotta say that the practice went pretty well. I had a lot of competitive lap times. All the times I was close to my all-time PB on Zandvoort. So I actually feel really confident here to get a good lap in. And if we look at the iRating, you can see it's quite diverse. This time we have 4 different classes, because last time we only raced with the Toyotas and the BMWs M2s. And now we have the Renault Clios as well, so that's going to be interesting. Unfortunately, there are not many people in our class in the MX-5. The Toyota is really popular, so I'm actually hesitating to maybe drive in the Toyota class as well, because they simply just have a lot of competitors, and I think you'll maybe improve more than the MX-5. But let me know what you guys prefer. So for now, let's lock in and get some good laps in, guys. Okay, nice, much better. I'm an idiot. That was pretty stupid, guys. As it looks like now we could have maybe even clinched pole if we didn't ruin that lap. But I saw on the Delta that was exactly even on the number 1. So I thought maybe if I brake slightly later, I can win some time. But it lost me 2 places and potential pole now. So that's a shame. But yeah, that was done. Nothing we can do now. Let's focus on the race, try to get some clean laps, try to survive. The opening lap is always going to be tricky. And yeah, from there, let's just see how it goes, guys.
1 lap to green. Line up on the right side.
What? 1 lap to green? Fortunately, it's a 25-minute race and not a 2-hour race for now. Zandvoort is, of course, a relative small circuit, so it's tighter than, for example, a Daytona. So it brings a lot of risks to crash out because of other classes overtaking. Oh, let's go, guys. I'm excited for this one.
What the fuck?
Hey, what? Come on, man. Catch up. Bro is leaving a crazy gap, but okay.
There's an incident ahead.
Incident? It's a warm-up lap. What? What happened there? Probably something in the Tarzan, I guess. That's the first turn, by the way, the name of the first turn. Wow, everyone is going so slow. You can't call this a warm-up lap. What is this? We're literally going 40 miles per hour. That's crazy. What? Is this time going off the race? No way. That will be insane. No, that can't be true, right? I gotta stay sharp because I don't know how this works here on Zandvoort. On Daytona, we started far before the starting line as well, for the finish line I mean, so I wouldn't be surprised if that's here as well.
Get ready, going green.
What? Here? Okay.
Green flag, green flag. Now on your left. Keep to the right. Stay on the right. Clear.
For now we still hold the position.
Problemi!
Oh fuck.
Clear on the left.
Oh shit, that was definitely my bad. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Oh, that was such a Nikita Mazepin action. Oh, yellow, watch out. Oh, yeah, I see you. Oh, the dive bomb was so bad. I barely slowed down, I don't know why. Okay. We got him. Okay guys, let's now lock in. Not really a clean race start for me. I feel a bit bad about that. But yeah, for now we just gotta keep on focusing. We survived the first lap. Not really happy that I set the dive bomb, which was actually not my not what I wanted to do. But yeah, nothing we can do now. Oh my god, that guy was really close to me, but I braked a bit weird there. Now we're just gonna need to drive really consistent and fast. We created some breathing space to the car behind, so that's actually lovely. Okay, now let's try to break free and hope they battle behind me. I'm kind of weak into the first sector, but I'm better in sector 2 and 3. Oh, taking a lot of risks to there, but I'm quite lucky that the guy is stuck behind the Renault Clio. The good news is that the guys behind are fighting, so that means that we can just pull away. But of course it's still going to be tricky when the M2s arrive. Okay, that was really bad turn 1. Interesting, we take a really different lines through here. I'm curious if the Renault Clio is going to defend here. I don't think he will. Okay. Then let's hope for us that he'll let us through easily as well. Okay. Ah, come on, mate. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, thank you. He understands. Okay, that's great. Oh shit, that's the M2s then. Or they mean it's the Renault Clio. We were quite unlucky there with overtaking the Clio, but at least the other guys behind still have to overtake him. So let's try to catch up again to the MX-5 now. Yeah, and not try to do this dumb things. Oh, that's so stupid. I braked way too late. A lot of mistakes this race. Not happy with it. Oh, shit. The guy behind is closing in now. That's not ideal. Oh, what am I doing?
Car right, clear. Car right. Stay on the left. Keep to the left. Clear on the right.
I'm not going to fight him too hard because there are a lot of cars behind him. But I hope he understands he just has to wait before the main straight. Okay guys, the top 5 group is here behind me. Ah, that's bad. I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't know, my muscle memory is gone somehow in this corner. Ah, because of the gravel, there's no grip. Oh man, that was close. Okay, this guy's within 3/10, I don't really like that. Okay, wow, this beautiful side-to-side racing. Okay, for now we fought him off. Normally you don't want to fight too hard, but you can see that he's fighting other cars now. And that's exactly what I want. Okay, yeah, I got the muscle memory back. Damn, I don't know what I was doing before. I got no idea where that Toyota's coming from. Okay, guys, 1.3 seconds loose. Let's try to get in the slipstream of this guy. Oh, I was really slow to there. I don't know what I was doing. Ah, come on, Allard. Come on, come on, come on, come on. It has to be better if I want to stay in front of the number 3 because he's putting a lot of pressure on me. And the number 1, heads off. He's driving crazy consistent. Oh, I can see the first M2 coming up on my mini-map, so let's be careful for that.
Car right. Clear.
Oh, too much entry speed. I'm not going to defend because we gotta pull away. Just going to brake earlier.
Clear on the right.
Because it doesn't really make sense to battle him now. Because otherwise the cars behind will just get onto us. So let's try to pull away with this guy. And then one of the last laps,
Faster traffic approaching.
then we can fight for that P2. And for now I'm all good because I'm into his slipstream. Because I think his race pace is actually slightly better as well. Okay guys, we're still in a prime spot. And just as I say that, I outbrake myself. I think I'm going to try to overtake him, not in this lap, but on the straight in the next lap. Because then I should have just enough margin to maybe finish up to second. Because I think there will be 2 more laps from now on. So let's see how that will go. We just gotta stay close now. That's the only important thing from now on. Okay, let's try to put the pressure on him. Because of course, he doesn't know that I'll wait. Maybe we could set up a fake. I don't think he will fall for it. No, he will not. Oh. Okay, nice. We had to stay close here. And now we once again make a braking mistake. But he goes off. He goes off. Okay, guys. This is our prime opportunity now. But it's not the white flag yet. So ideally we would have waited 1 lap longer. But now I'm going for it. Ooh. Okay guys, he's fighting for it. I wouldn't expect anything less. I took a really goofy line there, I don't know why. We're losing a bit of the connection we want to have. I gotta pull up a really good chicane here. Yeah, this sector is going to be crucial, guys. I might send it here.
Car on your left. Clear on the left.
I was thinking about it, but it was too far away, so I backed out. I think both our tires are cooked. Oh no, the M2s are here. Oh, no, the tires are cooked as well. But he drove really well. I had 1 chance, and I think after all... Oh, GG's guys, P3. The fastest lap of the race, but of course he was with slipstream. Oh, GG's to Alexander Veskov. Was such a clean battle. He had a better race pace here. Damn guys, there was a really enjoyable race. It was really intense all the time. Much different than Daytona, because then you have a lot of rest on the straights. And here it's constantly just driving, which I love. But GG's, I'm not happy with my send on the first lap in the first turn. That was a bit too ambitious. I'm sorry for that driver. Yeah, it was a nice race. So let's see into the results and let's see if we gain some iRating, guys. If we look at the results here, we can see that we gained a lot of safety rating, which is nice. A bit unexpected because I think we had 4 or 5 incident points because of that crazy send in the Tour 1 and 1 off track. I'm still sorry for that crazy send because that was definitely not sportive and from way too far behind, so wouldn't recommend it, guys, but it was just a judging mistake. iRating, we gained 41 iRating, which is really good. I'm really happy with that as well, and I think, yeah, it was just a really solid race. If you look at the average lap time, you can see that I think the results are pretty fair. We were really competitive with the number 2 guy. GG peace to him because he was driving really fair and we had a lot of fun battles. And he was just slightly faster in race pace, so deserved P2 in my opinion. I think P3 was the maximum available for us now. P1 was out of this world. He was driving really consistently. I was close to him in the beginning of the race where the field was really tight. Crucial moments there to try to drive away and maybe work a bit together, because you could see in the beginning everyone was in a couple of tenths of each other, and more throughout the race, especially with traffic overtaking us, it was more spread to the whole circuit, and thereby you could just drive away. And I think my weak point is now just that I have to stay more consistent because I made a lot of mistakes. So I gotta work on that. After this I'm going to do one more race as well off camera, because besides the YouTube videos I'm going to practice and practice and practice to get better, guys, to make you guys proud. We did a good job in our run, which going slowly but steadily towards our 3K iRacing goal, which I'm really happy with that. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. It means a lot. I check all the comments. If you're new here, please consider subscribing because it would help me a lot and motivates me a lot to make more videos. And without further ado, guys, thank you so much. I hope to see you in the next video as well. And thank you for watching. Ciao.